Welcome. Today we're diving into quantum logos, the hidden code of reality. This is where modern quantum physics meets ancient wisdom, where the invisible patterns of the universe become a language you can learn to speak. The word logos comes from the ancient Greeks. It means word, reason, or ordering principle. It's the intelligence that brings order to chaos, the logic of existence itself. Quantum logos is this very principle, but seen through the lens of modern science. Quantum physics has shown us that reality isn't solid, it's a sea of probabilities. At the smallest scale, everything exists in a state of potential until it is observed or measured. Logos is the hidden rulebook that determines how those probabilities collapse into the world you actually experience. In other words, quantum logos is the rational pattern at the heart of the quantum field. It is what makes reality coherent, what allows thought to become form, and what bridges the gap between consciousness and matter. Here's where it becomes personal. You are not separate from this process. Your mind is a participant in reality, not just a bystander. Your focus, your intentions, your expectations, they all interact with the quantum field. When you visualize, when you meditate, when you hold a clear intention, you are speaking the language of logos. You are instructing reality to take a shape that matches your inner pattern. This isn't just philosophy. Experiments in quantum physics, like the double-slit experiment, show that observation changes outcomes. Studies in consciousness research suggest that focused thought can influence probability in subtle but measurable ways. Quantum logos is the framework that explains why this is possible and how to use it deliberately. So, how do you work with quantum logos? It starts with clarity. Logos is about order, and you must first order your own mind. Meditation, breath work, and focused intention are tools to quiet the noise and tune your consciousness like a finely calibrated instrument. From there, you learn to work with symbols, words, and mental images, the syntax of reality's language. Rituals, affirmations, and visualization aren't superstition when seen through the lens of quantum logos. They are deliberate acts of creation, aligning your inner pattern with the universal pattern. The power of quantum logos lies in its ability to transform how you see yourself. You are no longer a passive observer in a meaningless universe. You are a co-creator, a node of consciousness through which reality comes into being. This knowledge carries responsibility, but also immense freedom. When you master your thoughts, when you direct your will, when you live in alignment with logos, you stop living reactively. You begin living deliberately, sculpting your life with the same intelligence that sculpts galaxies. Quantum logos is not just an idea. It is an invitation to wake up, to participate, and to become the author of your own existence. The code is there, waiting. All that's left is to learn how to read it and then how to write.